Hey, it's July 16th, 2023, and this is what I was just woken up to a little while ago. I didn't even I silenced it. I got a snow squirrel alert from February 19th, 2022. Just came to my phone, and this woke me up at 9:14 this morning. Yes, it's 15 minutes later. And to show that I am not lying, that's the date. Sunday, June 16th, it's 2023. I'm on Long Island, New York. And this just came in, like I said, it's saying almost 4 o'clock in the morning. It just went off at 9:14 a.m. this morning. Couple minutes ago, about 15 minutes ago, this woke me up. The service I have is Cricket through AT&T, and I want to know why this came in now. Is there some kind of glitch going on with the National Weather Service? The phone is LG V35. I've had the phone about 2 years. That is crazy and spooky. So, like I said, just to show you, know I'm not lying. That's the actual time right there. That is crazy.